Hey guys, HavasuLew out in Lake Havasu. We're on our way to check out a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home that just had a price reduction. Hang out and check it out too, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right guys, right here at 1250 Princess Drive. Just reduced to $699. Considered a nice south side neighborhood. You have some gated side RV parking. Has a little front courtyard. All right, so this is a 3-bedroom, 3-bath pool home built in 2002, 1,873 square feet. Sits on a pretty big lot, just over 1,200 square feet. This one was just listed and it had a recent price reduction down to $699. This home does have a solar power system that is owned, so it's not a leased system. Nice big open floor plan, can lights, nice plank tile floors. Have a little eat-at counter at the kitchen. So you have a little slider out to, looks like a little Arizona room and a dining area. Also looks like it's on natural gas. Have a skylight in here. There's also can lights, a pantry. And it does do a wraparound back to the living area. So this is a split floor plan. So the master is at the back of the house off the living area. Has a single door out to the backyard pool area. They also did all the ceramic tile floors in here as well. So you have your master bath, granite tile counters, dual sinks, nice natural lighting. You have your walk-in shower, all tile, walk-in closet. They continued the floors in here as well. There's a little storage linen closet, and then your water closet has its separate door. All right, let's go check out the other side of the house. So you have your other 2 bedrooms and guest bath on the other side of the house, the front of the house. This is bedroom number 2. Did the same floors in here as well. Has double slider closet doors. So you have your guest bath. Bedroom number 3 at the front of the house. Slider, double doors in the closet again. So you have your laundry and your door to the garage off the kitchen and living area. Has a skylight in here. So there is a 3-car garage. The 2-car side is 23 feet deep, standard 7-foot door. But then they also did a little addition in the back where they shortened the length of the boat deep side by about 20 feet. So the other 2-car bay, it's basically a 4-car garage. And they put in a wall at the back of this. So altogether it's about 43 feet deep. So if you were to just remove this little wall that they put in, you would gain all your garage back. They turn it into like a little craft room. There's a mini split AC back here, door to the backyard pool area, and another bathroom. It also looks like you have an air handler back here for your AC behind the curtain. So here's your third garage bath. Actually has a shower and everything. And so they have the air handler, water heater, utility sink, reverse osmosis, and softener here behind the curtain. So they did like this Arizona room off the patio here. Probably not original. We would need to look into permit issues just to see what the deal is with it. Has a double door out to the pool area where the dog hangs out, and another slider. So you have a pretty cool backyard setup. Has a regular spa that's, inset, and then your regular gunite pool. It's a pretty big pool. Looks like it's in good condition. A nice little outdoor living area. Pool deck looks like it's in good condition. So you have all your pool equipment over on the side of the house. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Princess Drive. Again, this one was just listed and recent reduction down to $699. I'll put a direct link to the listing detail page right below this video. So if you guys have any questions or if there's anything I can help with, always feel free to reach out. I'm always here to help. You guys have a great day, and I'll talk to you soon.